Hi YouTube, it's Lala. Turkey hunting season is on its way, and if you don't have the best turkey calls, well, you're not going to bring them in. So I just want to show you some new things that I found that really work. Of course, we all love the mouth call. Super effective, brings them in, it's great. But that's, kind of if they're close by, and we all love the glass call. It's really effective and calls them in from a little bit further away. If you can't get them to come in, well then, if they're not in the area, the box call is always going to bring them in, and we love that one. But there's one that I don't think everybody knows about, and it's kind of top secret. I'm going to show you about it today. Actually, why don't I just let you hear it? Yeah. Honestly, no turkey can resist it. That's right. Marvin Gaye.